Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ke na le Obuti Maxwell ke ime studio e bone jwang.
Sama thomo ke lumelise channel ya lona, panel ya lona le balateli ko magaeng all. But ba user this channel ya Orlando Pirates, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp. Gaming comes to game here today. Ke rata o leboa batshehetsi ba Orlando Pirates to show that it's a backbone for the team. Or ba support the boys all over outside and inside Johannesburg. Ke leboa too much. It shows or the team is clicking. The way it plays, Orlando Pirates. Ugasilumere man liwena or ulle kwa gae o shebele TV. Yes, we are paying TVs. But if Pirates is playing Bafo, even though it's playing Durban, Polokwane, Cape Town, we'll go to Machonisa say man Machonisa ngizokubona inyanga mayiphela mka 1000 la. Ngoba akuvumi ukuthi uhlale ekhaya mfowethu. So I like to say thank you good technical staff here Orlando Pirates, management here Orlando Pirates. Umuntu oscouta ama player. Ngiyezwe especially kuma fans kwa certain panels. Banokhala ukuthi awe ubanibani usayinwe kuphi ubanibani like abombuthuma ichance yabizo izoba khona. So let us give them chance coach a build bit by bit. We gonna where we are today. I think at the moment 8 games in a row. I'm a win as now. So mina ngesingihamba fowethu mabhakaniya singathi umakhelwane mayishisa inyama nathi sifuna ukushisa inyama. Okwasho ubhuti Frank ethi hayi sazoba mnandi ezweni. So njengamanje nathi asishise njengoba ubona mfowethu amakhula box so kungenxa ye Orlando Pirates ngendlela edlala ngakhona ingakho ngithi mina mfowethu ngibonga imanagement ye Orlando Pirates even no coach ukuthi sometimes kunenkulumo akayithula izolo ukuthi they are hating umuntu okhuluma ngama players ePirates. Pirates it's another team ukuthi la South Africa is the biggest team even continental for Africa, the new Orlando Pirates. Noma ngayapi bazokutshela ukuthi Orlando Pirates there is another channel enthanda ukuyibuka nowadays in Nigeria. Bayibuka nje Pirates in Nigeria nowadays. It shows ukuthi thank you for even as Spain. It shows ukuthi now Pirates is a bigger team in the world, not in Africa. So it shows we are pulling bigger number of fans due to style of play sisidlalayo. Even good coach ngithi thanks Wadudu ngomsebenzi wakho even ibench lakho moliphakamisa. It shows you need something. You don't hesitate ukuthi uTito namhlanje bafowethu ungathi uflethinyana ushesha ibonele ukuthi namhlanje umjidi ungathi akanshayila ispanning isifunayo uyamdonsa. So ngibonga icoach ena that eye. Ungikhumbuza uRuth Kroll we got Isaac Chansa, Mayambela, Skhulela on the bench. It triple masithatha sasina that best bench. So if we une team ngena best bench or 3 or 4 benchini emfowethu bazokhawatha. Ngoba la uhamba khona ube flat noma uthi uphakamisa ibench la kuthi nalo li flat alikwenzele lento oyifunayo. So I wish amajita Caron a form le abanayo at the moment because there is something manengi hate this thing FIFA. Sometimes we go to the FIFA when you come back sama injury or slightly form yangithola, but let's hope the way amajita abambe ngakhona at the moment asipushen bafowethu nani ma supporters bafowethu. Let us keep on doing esikwenza sisupport amajita even though iplayer tells mistake bafowethu ingane yomuntu nayo loyo muntu bafowethu asimsupporteni long egqoka ijezi le Orlando Pirates. Let us support those players. In management ayimsananga by mistake that boy. So the only thing I need akuthina mfowethu nakusasa nayo ingane nginayo ngiyothina kusasa mase ngibona igijima ku Pirates lengane. Can I boo this boy? I can't because ingane ekhulela kuthina singama supporters. Nazo lezi ingane ngeze selokishini bafowethu kubhlungu ukubona a certain number of supporters because we are not understanding football ngokufana. Khona umuntu angazange adlala ifootball bafowethu angazi ubu difficult bebhola uthi hey lapha ziyabuya lapha. Uyabona ungathi uthi uyalivala mfowethu kube ngenye into lale mfowethu ushayeli on goal. So bafowethu mina ngithanda ukubonga ku channel yenu ngibonge nama fans ngithi bafowethu let us keep on supporting Orlando Pirates. Bhuti Frank asiyosa nkabi yami. Ngiyabonga ngithanda ukubonga